Okay, so the way that this online geometry thing works in terms of getting help or being taught things is that each of these blue uh, things here is a different video that corresponds with what is called a workspace, or which is really just an assignment on Mathia. And so, like, let's say you log into Mathia and you get the getting started, and you're like, man, I'm kind of stuck. You could click this getting started video here, and you're going to get a video of me talking through how to do the getting started workspace. And so basically what will happen, we'll take a point in here, and you would see that um, I kind of walk you through how to get through the workspace you need. One thing that you'll also notice on this, what I call the geometry course plan, is that this getting started is it's a builder type workspace and it's green. One thing to understand about the concept of workspace is they're always going to be the exact same as the one that's in my video. And the way that you can tell if it's a builder, it just has these circles that go with either green or blue completely each time that you get into a specific workspace. And so again, all of these green things, so those two, that one, and that one, if you're getting stuck on any of them, you can watch my video, and my video will walk you through it exactly how you see it in Math. A little bit different than that, these mastery. So the green things, the concept builders are basically trying to teach you things, and that's why when you get stuff on there, it's going to be exactly the same as what's in my video. The mastery are different in that you are going to get different problems than I get in my videos. But watching my videos would still help you make sense of how to do the math and how to answer the questions in Mathia. So you can see, for instance, this video here is 15 minutes long or so. And I might want to watch these videos before I try to do the workspace in Mathia myself, just so that I get an understanding of how the tools work, what I'm going to be doing, this kind of thing. And so it's a very good idea to watch these videos before doing the work in Mathia. It's really up to you. So here's an example of how that would go. Okay. So as you can see, I'm kind of going through teaching you how to do these, this kind of thing. You can watch a few examples, see how I'm putting my answers in, this kind of thing, and that will help you be prepared for how to do the work in Mathia. So I'll leave you to do that on your own. The concept builder and mastery stuff will be the same in that way throughout the entire course. Again, concept builder, you're going to get the exact same problems that I get. Mastery, you're going to get problems that are like the ones that I got, but different. And then I do want to talk about down here where it says things like Schlegel notes, and especially these things that are highlighted in red. If a video is highlighted in red, it is because I believe that it will be impossible for you to be successful without watching that video first. And so these things being read down here are basically telling you, hey, before you try to do this mastery in Mathia, because it's going to be really, really tough for you if you try to do it without watching the video first, make sure you watch the video first. And so anytime where it says Schlegel notes, these are going to be things that are not in Mathia, but it will be knowledge that is essential for you to understand in order to be able to do the work in Mathia. And so again, this is pretty much your guide of here's where you're going to start in Mathia. You'll work through all of these things. Make sure you watch my notes videos. Make sure you watch videos that are highlighted in red. And as we go through this, you'll see eventually you'll get down here to where there's this other thing, Schlegel practice. You'll need to either print this off or just copy it onto a piece of paper. And then after 132 or so of these lessons, you're done. So with that, that's all I've got for this video. I'll be able to be reached to give you help and things like that. Just send me an email if there's anything that you need. And again, um, getting into Mathia And working on these workspaces is basically the way that you're going to be successful with online geometry.